Well, blue skies are returning later today here in Boise, but we're talking some major snow over in Sun Valley and McCall this morning.
Yeah, blowing and drifting snow too. Got a wind advisory in effect in those locations. Let's get right to it. A lot to talk about this morning. We have skies clearing up today. In fact, I think if maybe I'm coming down with a little something. Fresh snow at our area ski resorts and blue sky later in the day, a bluebird day. I'm thinking this afternoon, getting some new snow over there at Brennage Mountain and Bogus Basin. And I'm thinking about 3 new inches at Bogus since we checked, since midnight, almost pushing 4 to 5 at Brennage Mountain. Weak system for Thursday, mainly just some clouds for us. A stronger one for Saturday. That's a rain-snow mix. So half your weekend looking a tad unsettled. Another one for Tuesday. And speaking of snow, this is one of those situations where you have beautiful weather. I mean, pretty quiet down here in the valley for your morning commute, no problems. But if you're taking a Highway 55, it is snowing pretty good, and that road looks pretty bad just before Cougar Mountain Lodge. I expect Little Donner Pass between Cascade and McCall also looks pretty bad, but our camera isn't working on that one this morning. Otherwise, I'd show it to you. We have some snow traversing our area from northwest to southeast, and most of it now pushing to the east of Boise. Also some continuing snow showers further to the north. And speaking of Highway 55, that is pretty much, you're looking at some snow from Horseshoe Bend northward up to the McCall Cascade area. Speaking of those advisories, wind advisory in effect, blowing and drifting snow around the Fairfield area. We're getting reports of that this morning. And that also includes eastern Idaho, that wind advisory, 25 to 35 sustained. Could see some gusts to 45. Also winter weather advisory for the Sun Valley area, 4 to 7 inches of snow. That's in effect till 11. And 3 to 5 for the valley locations, a bit more for our mountain locations. Winter weather advisory including the McCall Cascade area this morning. So totally different weather and driving conditions versus down here in Boise. No problems. But if you're heading up 55 today, it is snow covered and slick. 37 degrees is our current temperature, fairly mild. Most locations down here in the valley looking pretty good. So any precip that falls, chances are it's going to be mainly rain. It's going to be light rain at that. 41 for our high today, 28 for the low. Both those about 3 degrees above normal. Pretty hefty storm system out there. I don't want to worry too much about it because we have a ridge of high pressure building right here. This whole thing will slide over our area. So a slow drying trend. In fact, we can see some breaks in the clouds just to our west. So here's what we're looking at as far as our regional forecast. A chance of rain this morning, partly cloudy and windy for this afternoon for the Twin Falls area. Chance of snow for Sun Valley, then partly cloudy this afternoon, probably an inch for Sun Valley, additional amounts. Another 1 to 2 possible for McCall and Cascade, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Chance of rain this morning, turning mostly sunny for the western end of the valley. Same thing for Canyon County. And for Boise, basically same story there. Chance of some rain, partly cloudy much of the day, turning mostly sunny just before sunset. And then for tomorrow, increasing clouds but dry, also a little bit breezy on Friday. And we start to see a chance of precip again Friday evening into Saturday. Saturday looking a tad unsettled. Sunday looks good though, and a chance of some rain and snow again on Tuesday. That's the look at weather.